Hello foodies! Today, I will show you how to make chicken biryani using the Saladmaster oil core electric skillet. So without further ado, let's get started! On a bowl, put the chicken pieces. I have here around 800 grams of chicken. Next, put the yogurt, around 4 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste, around 2 teaspoons. Garam masala, 2 teaspoons. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, and finally, juice of half a lemon. But actually you can add more if you like. You can add more masala, yogurt, or salt. But go easy on the chili powder if you have kids who would eat later. And now let's mix them all up. Make sure every piece is covered with the marinade. Let's cover them and chill for at least an hour. Meanwhile, let's work on the rice. Get 2 cups of basmati rice. You have to clean the rice by rinsing at least 3 times. After rinsing, soak the rice for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we drain the rice. Now, it's ready. So, here is the Saladmaster electric skillet. Let's insert the automatic heat control. Let's preheat the skillet by setting the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. This is the so-called water dance test. If the water seems to run and dance around, it's an indication that the skillet is ready for use. Let's arrange the chicken pieces into the skillet. Let's cook it for about 8 minutes. So here it is after 8 minutes. Let's flip them and cook for another 8 minutes. These are okay now, so let's take them out. Now it's time to cook the onions. I have here 2 medium-sized onions sliced, around 3/4 cup of yogurt, a tablespoon of garam masala, and some chili powder again. Let's add a little water to scrape off the bottom of the pan. And we need to add more water. And let's continue to cook the onions. The water helps to loosen the burned sauce, but they are not really burned, just say overcooked. After around 2 to 3 minutes, let's put the chicken back in. Let's cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to put the basmati rice. 2 cups of basmati rice will need 3 cups of water. Don't forget to add a dash of salt. At the control panel, choose RIC1. It is the option when cooking rice. And now we're down to the last minute. The rice will soon be cooked. The rice is cooked. Let's see. Oh, it is really cooked. Our Saladmaster Chicken Biryani.